Hello guys! So, ginabi na tayo, no? Ginabi na tayo para mag-check-in dito sa Village Hotel Bournemouth. Kasi, naglalakwat sa kanina si Mr. Splash at si Mrs. Splash sa dagat. Kaya ngayon, ito na, nag-check-in na si Mr. Splash at ito yung lobby nila. Ang ganda ng lobby nila, guys. May mga palapunting Christmas na. At ito naman yung pub and grill nila kung saan ikaw ay nagugutom, so dyan kakakain. Kaya yun, si Mr. Splash, hinihintay namin makuha yung key ng room para makaakyat na kami. Kaya medyo napagod na ang mga beauty na person. So we're going up now for the second floor. Moving up. Mr. Splash is ready.
We're all ready. We're ready.
Number 4 again, guys. I think this number 4 is my lucky number today. Really. And this is my
You're my lucky number. Ground floor. Ground control.
So cool. We are in the lift. Mr. Splashy World.
Hello. Splashy World.
So we are in the second floor and 206. Is it? Yeah, 226. I get our number now. So we are here in the second floor. This one. So I think
This one.
here. Yeah, I want to open. Okay, thank you.
Go on through.
So two here.
Two, yes. That's a huge hotel, isn't it?
Wow,
Massive.
guys, it's a beautiful hotel.
Yeah.
Really, such a beautiful. 226.
That was probably.
Oh! My bag is sent of hotel. It's okay, my love. 222, 224. And this is our room.
Let's check it out. Oh. There we go.
Okay, you go and Mr. Splash.
Let's see this.
Please put the lights first.
Wow. Come on in.
My God.
My gulai.
Guys, look at that. The color is so inviting. And we have the closet there. And a large mirror. And look at the bathroom. My gulai.
Oh, they like their stripes.
Oh my
Girl, look at
God.
that shower.
Hello. And look at the shower, guys. Oh my God. Hello, Shende. We just arrived in Bournemouth, Royal Bournemouth Village Hotel. So they get the Spa Natural Beauty Inner Comb Hand Wash and towels, of course, and Spa Purifying Shampoo, Spa Body Wash, and Mr. Splash over there. And we have this Village News.
That looks a very comfortable bed.
Wow, the bed is so wow, as in all I can see is wow. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, and look at that. You can view the outside. Actually, now is gabi na, hindi mo na makikita masyado, but tomorrow morning I will show you guys. Okay? Thank you so much. Holy cow.
Oh my gulai. Caught in the act. Caught in the act.
Huli pero hindi kulong. Okay, bye-bye. So guys, ginutom tayo, no? Ginutom tayo sa paglalakwat siya sa beach. Kaya dumiretso na kami ni Mr. Splash dito sa kainan. Mr. Huge. Yeah, we're eating na, guys. So that's it. Let's eat, guys. Guys, kinaumagahan, nag-breakfast na naman kami ni Mr. Splash kasi kagabi pagkatapos namin mag-dinner, nakatulog na kami agad. At ngayon, maganda ang gising namin. Pumunta na kaagad kami dito sa sa kainan nila. So ito yung atmosphere ng restaurant nila sa morning. Buffet style ang nila, ang breakfast. Kumain ka lang dyan hanggat gusto mo. Maraming pagkain pero hindi ko na inaano kasi hindi ko na kinuhanan yung pinaka menu nila. Yeah. Guys, papasok na naman si Mr. Splash sa work pero malapit lang siya.
Let's go.
So hahatid ko lang siya sa van. Tapos babalik na ako. Diba? See you.
Bye-bye, my love. Bye-bye, my love. I love you.
Love you too.
See you later.
Yes. Love you. See you later. So guys, babalik na ako sa hotel kasi papasok na si Mr. Splash sa may alliance dyan. Papakita ko kay laki ng building. Punta doon tayo sa doon tayo sa harap. Yan yung hotel na pinag-istihan namin. May pub, may grill, may Starbucks. Yun. So doon ako dadaan sa pinakaharap para maganda ang entrance natin. Ayun, ang ganda ng panahon. At ang ganda din ng hotel. Di ako pwedeng magtagal dito sa labas. Sobrang lamig. Wala akong dalang jacket. Ayun. Ayun na. So, lakad. Woo! My bird. Ang ganda, no? Sige, papasok tayo. So, ang kwarto namin is somewhere around there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Parang pang-apat. So, dito na, guys. Bye-bye. Roasty. Nasa second floor na ako, pero hindi pa to yung room namin. Ginuhanan ko lang yung nagpo-frosty. Yan yung view dito sa taas. Nasa second floor kami ni Mr. Splash. Naka-check-in. So, yun yung labas. Ayan. Ang ganda. Tsaka napaganda ng panahon. Panahon. Guys, ito naman yung pinaka swimming pool ng hotel. Actually, nagbayad kami ng swimming pool pero hindi kami nakapag-swimming. Tinatamad. At dito naman yung pub and grill nila. Ganyan ang itsura. Morning ngayon, kaya yan ko kinuhanan. Maganda siya, malaki. Ganyan ang itsura niya pag gabi. Ito naman yung breakfast room nila. Ganun. Nahanan ko lang ng maayos kasi pag may mga tao, mahirap. Ito naman yung meeting and conference room nila. So, maganda siya. At ito naman yung gym. Hindi rin kami nakapag-gym dahil tinatamad din kami ni Mr. Splash. Kaya doon lang kami sa room, naglabing-laming. Salamat!